Syncopation on fourth count. Okay, this one will feel more natural. I think the pattern seems straightforward. However, be careful with the stretch for the first two notes. So there's a stretch of a 6 interval, and every new measure will have a stretch of 6 interval. Okay, slow speed, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, go. Backwards, starts on G, stretch 6 interval down, then F, E, D, C, speed. Remember, lift the fingers so that sound can be cleaner. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and G, A, B, C, 2, 3, 4. G,